Why are inspirational home design ideas important, especially for small home interiors? Because looking at some interior design ideas online or in interior design magazine is useful in several ways. There are those who are instinctively suited to examining their home through the eyes of interior designer or decorator. But most people are in trouble when it comes to decorating their own living space, predominantly because it adheres to schemes and routines that may not be adaptable to their own living space. A few new and fresh ideas can help you push boundaries and explore new directions. So, watch this video where you will find new and creative designer ideas for small home interiors. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and the newly uploaded video. The newly uploaded video is the 22nd part of the video series House Tours, Small Family Homes, and get inspired. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. A stylish and comfortable home interior for penny. If that's what you really want, you'll surely find something you like among the affordable interior design ideas from our video. So you don't have to waste any more time and energy in finding inspiring ideas. We have selected here more than 30 great new and cost-effective designs and decorating ideas with which you can give your own home interior a new look in no time. The basic atmosphere of your home interior is determined by the color of the walls. If you have enough space, no problem with the chosen color. A limited space requires white, light gray, or beige walls, like in this image. Play with space and styles. It is true that over the past few years, minimalist design has firmly established itself as a favorite. But what do you think about a cozy interior in eclectic style, as in this image? An extension of doors can considerably increase the living space when, of course, weather permits. Here in this image, you can see how you can turn a small room into an efficient home office. Break away from usual and choose bold color accent, which will spice a neutral color palette. Have a look at this bedroom where the royal blue color accent creates a superb room decor. The whole point of any home interior decor is harmony. You can further improve the look of your home interior with several well-chosen paintings or a well-placed interior plant. Just make sure that the colors are in harmony, even though the wall is striped by a bold color. If the sofa is a neutral color, dress it up with brightly colored decorative pillows, or choose chairs for your dining table in a vivid color. Regardless of the size or style of house we live in, we all strive for comfort and elegance. A living space is truly homely if it is customized to you, its occupants. In other words, if you can furnish and decorate your home interior according to your own taste and desire, and also include only as many trends as you like. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regard and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.